Welcome to my another episode. Today we will learn all symbol sign which you should know. Let's get started. Plus, plus, minus, minus, dot oblique point, percent, percent, equals, equals, multiply, multiply, brackets, brackets, divided by, question marks, question mark, hashtag, hashtag, forward slash oblique or, brackets, brackets, comma, comma, colon, colon, semicolon, semicolon, hyphen oblique dash, at sign, question marks, question mark, exclamation mark, underscore, underscore, and sign. Dear friend, if you know more symbol, please let me know. Do comment in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.